Hello everyone! Today we will be covering how to use the Content Library palette in FormIt. Let's begin by selecting the Content Library palette from the palette toolbar. If we select the Content Library Samples dropdown, you will see thumbnails of pre-populated models that we can click once to place in the canvas. Notice the drop-down arrow at the side of the thumbnail. If we click it, we are given a variety of size options for the given model. If you click a new size, it will reload the thumbnail and you can now place the model on the canvas. On the top left of the palette, there is a Link Content Library Directory icon. Click this and the Preferences window will open with the Content Library tab open. Click the plus icon and add a new Content Library location and navigate to the folder in your computer's directory where you have saved FormIt content files which contain any mix of file types, including AXM, OBJ, DWG, SAT, SKP, or any import file type listed in the import command, and click the folder to select it and then press Select Folder. Now the folder location will show up in the local library locations. If you want to remove this directory, select the path and press the Remove Selected Content Library Location icon. Now press the OK button and the linked folder will be added to the Content Library palette under the folder name you selected. When you select this folder in the drop-down menu, your files will appear in the palette window. Click any subfolders to access the desired files, and when you click the thumbnail and hover over to your canvas, you will be able to place it in the model with another click. If you load more content into this linked library folder while the FormIt model is open, simply press the refresh button to access the added content. And that's it for FormIt Content Library Palette. Be sure to check out more videos on the FormIt YouTube channel.